Hey everyone, it's Robin, RsIslandCrafts, and welcome to my studio Advent Day number 7. Remember, all of my packages are wrapped in the snowman wrapping paper. I wrapped my friends in 2 different wrapping papers, so I don't know which ones you've seen so far. I think I might have tried going every other day. You'll know better than I do because you've been watching the first 6 days. If you've missed it, there is a playlist here on my channel that says Advent 2023. And if you want a little bit more, you can go and watch the last 2 Advent series and maybe do day by day. You can watch all 3 day 1s and all 3 day 2s, and that might be fun for you. So today we have the guessing game of fabric. I think it's 2 pieces of fabric. Is it talking to me? Hello, what are you? It says it's pink. That's all it wants to tell me, is that it has pink in it. So let's see. Maybe we'll do a little peeky peek. Nope, that's wrapping paper. A little peeky peek. That's not pink. Maybe. I don't see a lot of pink. Let's see what it is. Polka dots and the guitar fabric. Look at the size of those polka dots. I do collect polka dots, but I do not have any in these colors, and those polka dots are huge, so that'll be fun to play with. And I like the way I've seen this fabric before, and I just love the shapes that they have these guitars and how they put them every other, and they're kind of like woven and stuff like that. That is fun. Thank you so much, my friend. Did I send you anything musical today? Let's find out. Merry Friends Advent Day 7. I have some fun kitty cat fabric that I wanted to share with her. And this is one of the duck coin purses, I believe it is. One of the leather ones. You deserve a tweet. This is from the Missouri Star. I believe it's the 2022 Advent box. Sometimes you guys share the ones that you don't like with me and you say to, use it myself, pass it on, put it in my friend's Advent. I know making that coin pouch up would bring me joy. I love doing leather works, but I know it would bring my friend even more happiness to stitch that up, and then she would actually use it, where I would just stitch it up and then I would tuck it in, probably in one of her gifts throughout the year or something like that. So this way she gets to create it herself, be part of the Missouri Star Advent packaging, and not having to purchase the entire, is it 25 days from them? Whatever it is, their Advent series, and then she just gets to have fun. So thank you guys so much for sharing your joy with me so that I can share some of it with my friend. Did today's gift make you sing? I know. It's a short little video, so we have enough time to be just a little bit goofy, and I want these to be a little bit fun. So sometimes the goofiness comes out, and that's what happens. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.